Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. For today, okay, are you ready to class today? Yep. Okay. Today we will learn about how to ask and answer the question about the future plans. So this is so important because we often ask people about their plan in the future. Alright? Yes. Okay. So I will ask you. Who know what is the planning? Okay, Zara.
Planning is the process of deciding in advance what to do, how to do it, and when to do it, and who will do it in order to achieve a goal.
Yes, good. Give applause. Okay. Wait for me. Yes, and that, please. Okay. So planning is the activity of making plans. Make plans. For example, like our plan in holiday, in career, or etc. in the future. So the plan is we making plans before doing something so that goals can be excited. Okay. Well, in asking future plans, we use double expression. We use double expression. They are what, where, why, so, who, where, when, and then how. Can you please? Okay, thank you, please. Well, in asking future plans, we have to use double expression are what, where, why, who, when, and how. And we can use to be like I'm, are, is, it, and can to use modal like will, so example, we use what. Example, what will you do after the class? So you will answer, after the class I will go to the park, or you can to answer, I will back to my house, and etc. So if the answer by to be, the question by to be, you can answer. Example, are you ready to class today? And then your answer is yes, I am, atau yes, I do. Are you understand?
Yes,
Yes. Are you understand?
Yes,
Okay. Because you have understand, we'll play game, and the game is find someone new. Okay. In this game, I will you to make planning what you want to do or what you're planning in the future. So the topic is holiday. I will give you a paper. In this paper, there is a question. So I will explain the rule of the game. Find someone new. First, I will give each of you one sheet of paper. So we're on sheet of paper. There are 0 questions that you will ask your friends. So after you distribute the paper, you need to scatter to look for information your friends. Nah, dalam tutor ini dimana nanti kan ada 10 pertanyaan. Nah, dalam 10 pertanyaan ini, satu pertanyaan itu hanya untuk satu orang saja. Jadi kalau sudah bertanya sama anak, misalnya Zara sudah bertanya sama Siti, berarti tidak boleh lagi bertanya di soal pertanyaan kedua. Nah, setelah bertanya
go to holiday?
What?
What are you going to
Apa yang ayo, let's go to
Mary,
To my hometown when holiday because I wanna stay.
I try lapa-lapa, kaswami, and okay, I think that's all.
Are you going to stay at home during holiday?
Yeah,
Why?
I just stay here. I just stay.
Okay, thank you.
Are you going to have a holiday outside the city? Yes. Oh yeah. Sorry. Will you go on holiday with your family?
Yes, of course. Are you going to have a holiday outside the city?
Yes. I am going.
one, are you going to go back to your hometown during the holiday? I called Sheila. She back to Muna. And the second, will you try traditional food when you're in your hometown? I don't have anyone else. And number three, are you going to stay at home during the holiday? I don't have anyone else. And four, will you go to the beach on holiday? I found Riley. She wants to go to Nirvana. And five, are you going to have holiday outside the city? I found Sutri. She goes to Banggai. And six, will you go on holiday with your family? I found Anissa. She goes to holiday with her family on the beach. And seven, what place do you want to visit on your holiday? I found Naya. Naya visit on her holiday in Jogja. And eight, what are you going to do on your holiday? I found Chitra. In her holiday, she goes to Bhutan. And the six, are you going to try new food during the holiday? I don't have anyone else. And the last, what activities will you do during your holiday? I found Farah. During her holiday, she just to look her shop. I think that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Zara. Give applause, please. Okay. Thank you for coming here. And then the conclusion in this journey is based on the learning activities that have been carried out. It can be concluded that the find someone code is effective is reading news to ask and answer questions about future plans using WS question or Y2B. So through this activity, we are actively engaged in the learning process and can practice news language. So we can practice using language in real life context, especially those related to study plans, and then which help increase our confidence and speak skills. Therefore, in find someone method is responsible for improving our oral communication skill. So that's all the material today. Thank you for attention and your participation. I say